Hello, hello. Welcome to another ES Futures trading stream. I have been having some difficulties. I have to. I couldn't do. I couldn't stream yesterday because OBS just went down, and it was an interesting day though. And now I have to reinstall the whole thing. Um, I don't know. Okay, I don't know. Okay, I don't know what's going on now here. I cannot capture the whole screen now. This is very frustrating. Well, let's see what can I do here. I apologize in advance for anything that can go not in the planned way. What I'm doing now, I'm doing my homework. I didn't do yesterday's homework. From yesterday, I have this lever here. I thought this was going to be fixed last night, but it is just being repaired. We have settled way down here at this low, and basically short covering going on since the market opened in the overnight session. If this follows, we expected to have some. Well, the market opening inside yesterday's range here. All right, let's keep doing this. I will keep doing my homework here. From the monthly, I'm taking this area here around the 5400 or 5450, around that area, as a support, potential support here. Since not because it is 50% pullback from the whole year, the advance that this market has last year, but because traders can see that, right? May see that or may try to use this level as support. Now, let's go to the weekly here. What's going on in the weekly? In the weekly, I got something very interesting here. I got too much, kind of like a crowd. All right. This is the weekly. This is the weekly, which I'm going to show you right now. This is the weekly. This 50%, as you can see, is very close to this area here, to this low, this 2-week range, and which is the one I'm watching now. This range here, this little range here, and here, like these two. Now, the higher this range, just pay attention, pay close attention to the higher this range, where it falls, right? It falls right here. It's previous week low. Alright, we had a breakout of this penetration of this range. It hasn't reached the opposite side. And this is a very wide range as well, as I guess as wide as this one can be. There's potential to be in that. Weekly stating the obvious, 1 time frame lower. Now, what are the odds, for example, that we have this week low down here? What are the odds of closing above this high? Well, to deal with this, the market has to deal first with this 9%, 8%, and previous week low. I think this can be an interesting level if there is any upside today. I expect some volatility in the upcoming days because the rollover is going probably today or next Monday is going to be huge volume in this market because of the rollover, right? The current contract started somewhere in here. Notice what's happening with that contract is very short. If any rollover happens here, has to be to the downside. Now, if what happened if that doesn't happen? Yes, this is a very, very dangerous, very tricky situation we have coming here. What are my plans? My plans are to leave the market alone. Just as simple as that. Well, previous week low is my main reference in the upper side, and the lower side has what is the 10% pullback? What is the number? What is the number of that 10% pullback? 55.50. 55.50. Right? This is 10%. And what is the 50% pullback from 2024? Exactly, we're talking about 54.40. 50.40. Just to give you a number. Just put it a number up there. Not much here. Now this is critical here. We are at 10% pullback. 10% pullback from all-time highs, which is still kind of normal. Now, Let's keep going a little bit further here. Just check this out. Let's check it out. This is weekly. Now let's do the daily. This is the daily. Oh, it's here already. And let's do a close-up. A little bit closer to what can be. Alright. Let's do something closer here. This is daily. Alright. Daily has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days. 9 days. Long time premium lower. It has been a long time, man. 9 days. 9 days is. I haven't seen this kind of breaking of why. And notice here. Notice this range, right? You have a clear range here. Where the market is right now. Where the market has closed. Still inside this range, huh? This can be interesting here. What is this area here? What is this one? Let me label that, because that can be really an interesting level there. Damn it, these calls, man, are very annoying. Alright, this is 5567.5. Let me call this level again. This is depending on what, and this is why you do your homework. Right? Let me take another screenshot. Now having that, this area here, right? This area here can be super, but it is for far back in time. Yeah, September last year is, this is just technical. Alright, technical trading. If there's anything here, there can be some selling and buying happening around this area here. Can it be relevant? Who knows? I have no idea. This is part of the job, right? And this is just a reference that I am finding out right now, seeing 5567, 5567.5. Let's call that 57. Let's put that here. This is going to be 5567.5. What is this one here? Oh, look at that. Well, look at what POC is right there. You know. Remember, the overnight traders are the weakest in the market. I am going to add that level to my charts here as well. Okay. There's a bunch of things, right? And I'm going to color that one. I'm going to do it red. 5567.5. Short price on the right. This is 4-day range from back September 24 daily range. Nah, I don't. Just September 24. Just so you have an idea of how far this goes, right? This one. So when the POC is right there, I'm going to extend to the left. So you just know how back in time this reference is. Okay. It's unbelievable. It's just right here, right on overnight POC. What else? I don't have nothing else from the daily. Oh, the other thing is if you check the daily, what is, oh, right here. You check the daily, you'll see that this is a 2-day range here we have here. Right? 2-day range from here to here. Market failed the breakout, and the next thing the market does, take the low out. Take the low out. It doesn't have downside continuation, closes back inside. Right? Closes back inside here. And now what's the next thing? Check this high again. Who knows? Yeah, right now, this is having a the breakout in the daily time is to the downside. The breakout of this 2-day range is to the downside. Remember that. So, and that's why this is an important reference here. This one here, 3-day range low. Right? Oh, come on. This one here. This one here, the potential, this one up here. Okay, which is a question of high. It is going to go all the way up. As I said, no idea. Let me take a screenshot of this one. Now that I have the overnight here. This one was supposed to be for yesterday. I didn't do it after the close, but I am not going to trade if I don't have a homework. Notice this, right? This is overnight POC right here. This is history, this is history, this is history. We have something here on the upper side. This area is a high volume. This area is also relatively high. This area that was going to the downside along with this one. If the market opens up here, these ones are being forced to cover, which is what's happening here. Have short covering here. And the upside may target, actually now may target these highs that can be in a better situation now to have actually a breakout outside this in the same way how they did to the downside. Doing so, we will have now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days range, potentially being this the range. Is that going to happen? I'm not saying that's going to happen. That is potentially a scenario that can develop here. As I say, the more you see the market, the more things, if something happens, it's not going to take you, right? It's not going to take you, the more prepared, I guess that's the word I'm looking for, the more prepared you're going to be. No blocks. This is another reference. I have this 3K here. Let's see if this market can take. I used this yesterday, it used as a resistance. Let's see, now it's a support. I'm going to Alright, let's now just remove this market, these things here, and take a screenshot of market profiles here. Wait a minute. Alright, this is better. Alright. Market profile. Short-term traders have been dominating the session here. Value higher, value lower. Now, if you take this as a 3-day range, the market is at the center of the range. 3-day range now. 3-day range. 3-day range. Nice. Short-term traders. Past two session. Right now it's being rebalanced. Short inventory. Short inventory is being rebalanced. It's being rebalanced as of 9th 9 a.m. and overnight inventory is getting long as a consequence. Now this is important because the next thing that can happen is we may have a rebalancing of the overnight inventory here. If that doesn't happen, that's also very, very important. Now, I have here this market profile. Let's check this out. These are these areas. Uh-oh. What the heck happened here? This area's volume here. This is higher volume. Can you see from 46 to 38? Let's go with, oh, I cannot do that here. Where can I do that? Let's do it in the 30 minutes charts. Main references. Oh boy. Yeah, let's do it here. 30 minutes. Because this is 45, 46 to 38. It shows 43, 46. Oh yeah. Okay. 46 to 38, you have it here. 46 to 38. The next thing, which is actually lower, a little bit lower than this, is 29 all the way to 20. How much do we have here? Yeah, 30 to 20. Yeah, that's right. That's about right. And then, yeah, the previous day, really high from 606 to 600. Let's check it out. 606, 610 actually. Why 610 is way up here. 609 to 600. About yeah, this area here, and the next one here between 17 and 12. 17 and 12. Yeah, that's this is, man, this, I am amazed now. This is really good. It's not bad though. I guess that's what I say. This is Thinkorswim. This is free. And this is almost $300. Now, this area has higher volume, but has been taken care. The market has taken care of this. If you join this on this and this is really wide volume in around this area here. And we have something here between 54 and 70, 60 and 67. It is kind of more precise here, these reds here, which is, and why I'm look at this, because when, for example, there's an upside here, market comes higher, right? Today, tomorrow, whatever, there's a moment it may come to this area here. If there is something here, usually you will start to see profit takings here. Profits being taken here in this area. The latest will be here, right? And the market, because these areas with higher volume have a tendency to form some kind of resistance and support here. If the market doesn't chew or slows down here and it attempts many times or several periods start to go through, when it comes down, it can come down hard here. Right? If it chews, it can go really low, slowly, but higher. It can potentially go up here. And what I am checking here, the most interesting here to me is this area here. Yeah? Which is what I have it here in my main references actually. What it is. This is 60, 75, 77. Has been erased. What the heck? 56. Oh, here it is. This one here. Can you see? better change color here to make it alright. This one, this area here. It's weird. I cannot see it here. It's supposed to being updated automatically. No, it doesn't show. Alright. This is very important here. I will use this as a pivot. Okay. Or as a reference to which the market may come and be sold from here, or may have upside acceleration if it comes. In the current circumstances, I doubt there's going to be something serious now. Not this week, not today, probably next week as well. Now the market opening here in this area, will be taking care of yesterday's short inventory. What else? And before how much? Resources 68. Photon trader, unbelievable. This is really high. I'm really annoyed that the stream is not getting my screen. Or at least on my screen. Well, this is so ridiculous, man. Okay, I don't know how to fix that. How can I check that? What about if I check the properties of this? Properties. Okay. The weird thing is in the sources, it shows the whole thing. heck, man? If anybody knows how to fix this stupid thing. Oh, let me see if I can change the source and use just one of the Thinkorswim scam apps. Man, the same thing. God damn. Okay, I guess I still keep having. I guess the only thing that I can do is make this thing smaller so they fit. Okay, this will fit in the screen here, but I will be watching it really slow, really small here. For me, it's really slow. Your screen should be full size now. Are we going to be using? No, this is not good for me. I'm going to be using like 1/3 of my screen, which is not good. Not good. Even. Come on, man, look at that. How small. How freaking small this is. This is not good. No, I'm afraid I won't be able to stream again today. All right. We have 5 minutes to the opening. Let me open this a little bit bigger. It makes no sense having it that small, man. This is an important reference here, this overnight distributions here. Let's see what the market does relative to that. What the what the heck happened here? What? Boy, I'm sorry, guys. I will need to stop this thing. I can't do anything here. I cannot even see my screen now. All right. I may come back later if I check if I can repair this. Sorry, guys. I hope you. I'm really sorry about.